Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the JOLGOO 1/4-inch TRS to XLR male cable, specifically the 6.6 feet 2-pack. This cable is presented as a professional-grade option for connecting audio equipment that utilizes both 1/4-inch TRS and XLR connectors. It's positioned as a sensible choice for anyone working with professional audio setups, aiming to provide perfect sound quality. When it comes to sound performance, the cable boasts some impressive specifications. It features 20 AWG 4N oxygen-free copper, which is a key component for signal integrity. To combat interference, it incorporates both foil shielding and a metal braid shield. This dual-layer shielding is designed to eliminate unwanted noise and deliver a pristine audio signal. The promise here is noise shielding, no hum, no noise, resulting in crystal-clear music and high-quality, noise-free performance. For audio professionals or enthusiasts, minimizing noise is absolutely crucial, and the construction details suggest a serious effort has been made in this area. Moving on to the build quality, the connectors are a significant factor. These cables are equipped with 24K gold-plated connectors. Gold plating is essential for resisting corrosion over time, which helps maintain a clear, smooth-flowing signal. This ensures minimum signal loss during transfer, which is vital for preserving the fidelity of the audio. The connectors are also described as being the right size, designed to fit correctly into sockets without being too tight or too loose, which can be a common frustration with lesser quality cables. Durability is another area where this cable aims to stand out. The wire itself is described as flexible and possessing strong toughness. It utilizes environmentally friendly PVC for the jacket, combined with premium metal housing for the connectors. A notable claim is the 15,000-plus bend lifespan, suggesting these cables are built to withstand repeated handling and coiling. The exterior is finished with braided nylon, which not only adds to the durability, but also helps prevent tangling, a practical benefit for anyone managing multiple cables. This robust construction indicates the cable is intended for regular use in various environments. In terms of usage, this XLR male to 1/4-inch 6.35mm TRS cable is designed for compatibility with a range of audio equipment. This includes devices with 3-pin XLR connectors and 6.35mm sockets. The listed compatible devices cover common audio gear, such as mixers, cameras, amplifiers, soundboxes, microphones, and power amplifiers. This broad compatibility makes it a versatile cable to have in an audio setup, bridging the connection between different types of professional and semi-professional gear. Overall, the JOLGOO cable appears to offer a combination of sound quality features, professional-grade connectors, and durable construction, making it a potentially solid choice for audio connections.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.